Yes. Okay. So, yeah, hi. How are you?
Yeah, hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Yeah, good afternoon. How
Yeah,
are you?
yeah, I'm pretty well, buzzing with the wives these days, fully occupied with so many things. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. So, yeah. So, we are meeting very first time. So,
Yes.
can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. I'm delighted that I introduce myself. My name is Pratibha. I'm from Maharashtra. Currently, I live in Pune. I have done master as well as B.Ed. And I have different types of hobbies. I can say I'm a itchy feet, I'm a green thumb, and I'm a mellophile person. I like to listen music while doing household chores. I also try to turn on my Bluetooth and listen music. I don't want to means I always try to listen that music, and I am be in my bonnet about learning this language. So it's a very demandable language, you also know, and it's a global language. And I am consider myself a positive go getter and high driven person. Yeah, this is
Yes.
little bit about me, and thank you. I'm truly thankful to you. You are invited me to your YouTube channel, so that's why, ma'am.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. I'm also new, taking this session.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Introduce myself?
Yeah, of course. Then I will get to know about yourself.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. So, my name is Dipali Kadam. I'm from Pune.
Oh my.
I'm Sir, yes, yes, yeah, yeah. I'm learning this language since 1 year.
Okay.
I started from 2025.
Oh my God. Yes, yes.
Yes, and today also I'm working on it. Also, I have completed their phonic teacher training course, and yeah, and now I'm working on it.
Yeah, great, ma'am. Great. The
It's all
sub.
about me.
Yes. And are you in Pune? You live in Pune in which area, ma'am?
Pimpri Chinchwad.
Yeah, I'm also in Pimpri Chinchwad. Yeah, we are a neighbor then.
Yes, yes, they are neighbor.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, these day everyone wants to learn this language. So every place.
Because everyone knows that language is very effective anywhere, whenever you go here and there. Everyone knows their native language, but the moment will come to speak another language with another language, so it's a very necessary. You have to know about this language, and we have to speak as well. It's a very compulsory when we
Yes.
know how to speak, so it's very easy for us. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. When it's come to speaking, it's very hard to follow this because everyone knows how to write, how to read,
Yeah,
how to listen, but everyone don't know how to speak.
right, true, true.
It's fully depend on their practice.
Yeah,
When we train our muscles, mouth muscles, yes, then we can talk with everyone.
yeah. And when we study at school, that time only we learn this as a subject, English
Yes,
as a subject. So that's why you had studied only for giving exam and lessons, grammar, but we had never practiced to speaking to with anyone. So that's why we have felt very difficult. So nowadays, so that's why we are practicing how to communicate to with another person. So it is a very useful, and consistency is the matter. I must say,
definitely.
if you are
Consistency more
consistent,
matter.
yeah, more matter. Nowadays, means everywhere English free resources is available to practice and to exercise as well. So we get an advantage. So we don't want to stop. We have to our learning journey. Then if you are consistent in their learning journey, so it will helpful for us. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Me too. Also, I have been learning this language, for 8 year. Not
Oh
only my 1.5 year practice.
my God.
Because yeah, because what happened there, because I couldn't have learned this language,
Okay.
because of I didn't get the point how can I learn this language. So day before, before year I got a real path how can I learn this language.
Oh
So that's because also I started from scratch.
yeah.
No any doubt, I started from scratch. Because when it's come to our in school, in school, we used to only learn, we used to only read, but the teacher didn't give us chance to talk in front of people, or
Yes.
talk in front of their students. And we couldn't talk with even our friends also.
Yes, yes, yes. Because we never get a chance, so that's why it happened. If you, if we were habitual, then definitely you would now capable to speak. But you did not get a chance, so that's why I have learned that only as a subject, not a language. If you know about a language, we speak language at your place in our native language, in native language. So
Yes,
that's why we don't have to go to extra effort, because we listen more and more full day. So if you are capable, our teacher also told no. In that school there is an atmosphere only to speak English, English, English. So we never felt like a hesitation as well, and how to speak. You never felt like this. But nowadays you have to practice more and more. So I want to say the more you sweet in practice, the less you bleed in battle. Yeah.
yeah, every language key I can say their consistency, practice, everyday practice.
And I want to say, ma'am, reading is also most important. The more you read, the better you speak. Better you speak, more confident we become.
Yeah,
So, reading, we don't have to go through grammatically, because every person says grammar is important for speaking. But
yes,
when we are habitual to speak, and by speaking, you learn many things. And when we more listen as well, more listen, that well, that is a fix in our mind as well. And
yeah,
reading as well. So both a four pillar is important, but sometimes if you have no too much time, so reading, and whenever you go here and there, we can listen very effectively. So it
yeah,
is
yeah.
also important a lot.
Yes, yes, yeah. So ma'am, how did you start your journey?
Yeah, I start my journey like means only for listening, ma'am. Already told you, when I listen more and more, so definitely it is a fix in my mind, and I try to speak like this. So that way very effective for me, and by reading as well. I had started my journey first from reading. When
Okay.
I read more and more, so I know how to sentence, how to grammatically perfect sentence. Then that way, my tongue is habitual, my mouth is habitual when
Yeah,
I read aloud. So that's why I never felt like how to speak. That way I tried to speak, and it's my 6 months journey, ma'am. I'm trying this. Like, I know, I am a teacher. I was teaching at a school English subject, but that was only go to classroom and explain the lessons, because student would not able to understand in English to English. They
yeah,
want something in Hindi as well.
yeah,
So
because of their atmosphere.
yeah, atmosphere. So that's why I try to speak only student. but explain in Hindi. As then I thought, how can I communicate with people
Yeah.
English? So that was I felt very difficult to communicate with another people. But that is a different part. Then I try to speak myself more time, speak myself, and I reading maximum time I was reading and try to speak, and that way I have joined in free so resources are available nowadays. So I practice my co-learners, and that's from that day I try to speak more and more. So now I am habitual to speak. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Today also there are lots of platform. I can say we can learn English from YouTube, but
Yes.
also here is also which material we have to need for our learning.
Yeah.
It's so important.
Yes. Yes.
Lots
Yes.
of, lots of things we can say available this day, but it's fully depend on us which thing we want to learn this language. Yeah,
It's up
this
to
is very
us, ma'am.
important.
How
Yes.
consistent we are, how you burn midnight oil, and it's a not a because Rome was not built in a one day.
Yeah, it's not rocket science.
Yeah, it's a language, so it takes too much time. It's not a one day we have to achieve all those things. And
Yes,
by practicing, we can achieve whatever you want. And it's a depend on person to person. Yeah, that is a must, ma'am. And ma'am, I want to ask you, you said 8 years, na? 8 years or 4 years before you had started. Then how you achieve that goal?
actually, last year I decide, okay, I have to learn this language. Yeah, when I decide, okay, yeah, I have to learn this language. That time I got, path.
Oh, right. Then which
Because
type of practice you are doing?
inner motivation is also is very important when we want to learn anything. So our inner motivation is so important.
Yes,
Inner
yes.
voice is also important. So that's because.
And you had started your YouTube channel by practicing only with
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, yeah. And
I want
earlier,
to become a elephant speaker, so that's because I'm trying to learn this language, and also I have created this YouTube channel for that.
and before you start your YouTube channel, how can you practice our English journey? Your English journey, ma'am.
Yeah, because when I started that time, 6 month, I have listened a lot.
Okay, by
Yeah,
listening.
then after, yeah, step by step, I did that. Then I realized, okay, listening practice is not necessary for your learning English. You have to need their speaking practice. You
Yeah.
have to do their speaking practice. Then I connected with their CV application. So I boost my confidence there. I have, now I can say that I am confident. I'm not that much into that language. I'm not perfect in this language, but I boost my confidence.
Yes, that is a great, ma'am. And when we and when we connect different people, uh,
Yes,
so that's why we get to know about the knowledge from them as well. Every person have different mindset,
yes,
different perspective. So when we connect that type of people, so we get too much knowledge and how they are practicing their English and how they speak. They also matter a lot. And when we connect with our co-learners at as well as our conversation video, so it will boost our confidence as well as it brings our step one closer to achieve your goal. So that's why whenever we get a chance to connect with YouTuber, yeah, conversation video, you never give up because that way we learn many things. Yeah, yeah.
definitely. That only I connect with YouTuber.
Oh yes, 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 ma'am. Very true. I'm also these days I'm now connecting with a YouTuber because I boost my confidence that way, and now I think like I'm achieving my goal because it brings me one step forward always.
Yeah.
Yeah. And every person learn to each other
Yes,
whenever
yes.
we connect.
Yeah.
Not only conversation video, when we practice one to one in a group call as well, that time also we learn many things from them. So every person have useful for us for practicing.
Or every person we can learn
Yes,
from
yes.
every person. Yes, yes, yeah.
And a moment to moment as well, you can learn many things. Whenever we read, whenever we connect, everywhere. Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, this day also I'm taking spoken class for myself,
Oh,
enhance. Yeah, for my perfection.
oh, good, good.
Yes.
Right. And
Yeah, in
when had you started with YouTube channel 1 year before?
no, no, I started from in 2026 only,
Okay,
from January month.
January started from January. Okay, means 6 months maybe had completed.
Step I am doing that.
Then how you feel? You feel any problem? Because I heard many times if you are start your YouTube channel, so it you have to give too much timing because of thumbnail and editing. So do you feel first when you had started your YouTube channel, you felt like you brush up now you left, you don't want to continue, you do you feel like?
Actually, I'm not into that much because I don't make any thumbnails. Sometime I make, sometime I not make.
Okay,
Yes,
because
yes,
so many my friends they had started their YouTube channel. They said initially it had a very, oh my god, it like a tension. How we can do, because we are not habitual. In a first month, they felt very pet peeve. So they told that time felt like a give up all those things. Don't
yes.
want to continue. So that's why, ma'am, I asking you. Otherwise,
No, no. My focus only, learning this language, connect with people, and talk with them. So yeah, it's all about me.
yeah, right, true, true.
Yeah, because my purpose is, I have to, improve my language. So only for that purpose, I created my channel.
You have to brush upon your English, enhance your English. So that's why, yeah,
Yeah.
that is a good option. So that connecting, you get an advantage as well with
Yes.
connecting with people.
Yes. So, what do you do for your enhance your language?
Yeah, I already told you by listening and reading. I always try to read. Initially, I read a newspaper, but
Okay.
it was difficult because we have to find out words meaning, all those things. So I try to read topic. I take a help chat GPT as well, and children's book story as well. It's very effective, so I
Yes.
try to read only more time, and not a means big high level story. And nowadays I am into reading um Sudha Murthy's book. Sudha
Yeah.
Murthy's book.
So,
Yeah, yeah. Sudha
me too.
Murthy's book
I read.
would we would able to understand because it is a simple language. So I
Yeah.
try to read. Now so many books I had read, so that's why it is a very easy for me. So
Yeah.
and I always try to read aloud, then my tongue is habitual, yeah, and my muscles always try to now speak more and more.
Yeah.
And
Because
listen,
loud reading give us more benefit.
yes ma'am, more benefit, and reading and listening also. And whenever we listen na, so full day is over our ear, we can
Yeah.
hear too many times, so it is also helpful for us, I want to say.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So that's why I have practiced myself. I am not a bibliophile person, but nowadays I am into. So I know when I will read regular. So definitely I will achieve my goal, and I will speak better way.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am.
And nowadays my English is gaining momentum by practicing, because I practice every day. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, consistency very matter when
Yeah.
it's come to language learning. Yes.
I believe stay the course. Don't give up. When you stay the course, you don't never give up, then it will happen. Otherwise, not. Everything, whenever we try to new things in our life, it will difficult first initially.
Yeah.
But when we are habitual, so it will you feel like now it's a not a too much hard for ourselves. It is easy. Yeah, so that way. And what do you do, ma'am, to enhance your English?
Yeah, I do shadowing practice. I do my spoken practice. I
Oh,
talk with people. Yeah.
every time, full day. And how many people do you connect in one day?
Because of my practice, I don't connect every day.
Okay, you're doing your self practice.
Yes, yes.
So, but
Yeah,
yeah.
sometimes I talk with myself.
Oh, that is also great.
Yeah. But audio call on audio call, I talk every day.
Yeah, that is a we can learn many things when we feel like we are connecting with another people, and we try with them, because whatever they telling, whatever you are telling, that is also matter a lot.
Yes, yes,
And
yeah.
if you ask someone and they will and if they ask us, so you have to capable to give answer as well. So that is also important.
Yes, yes, yeah.
And are you
So,
homemaker?
yes, I'm a homemaker.
Okay, so that's why
Before
you.
marriage, I used to teach, but after marriage, I stopped that.
Okay, earlier. Are you
Yes.
completed your BEd as well, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I have completed DED.
DEd. Okay, DEd. And you did not join any school.
No, no, I didn't try.
Okay. Now you have to first enhance your vocabulary.
Yes. Yeah, it's very important. When I, enhance my language, yeah, definitely I will get everything.
Okay. And in a conversation video, you daily take conversation video with another
No, no,
person.
I don't take daily. Whenever I get time, that time I send email, YouTuber,
Okay, okay, yes.
and they reply me.
And after that, you connect with
Yes.
them. So it take too much time. Maybe video in 30 minutes, and after that, we have to do all those things. Na? After
Yes.
finishing your 30 minutes,
Yeah, yeah.
because I'm not aware of that. I am new. Yes.
So, okay. Thank you, ma'am,
Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay. Thank you.
connecting with me.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I'm also thankful you are invited me to your YouTube channel. Really grateful for this. Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.